In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the enter key showing send in WhatsApp instead of creating a new line. This can be frustrating if you want to write a long message but it keeps sending the message by mistake. So let's go ahead and fix this. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots. From the menu, tap on Settings. Once you are in Settings, tap on Chats. Now scroll down a little until you see the option called Enter is Send. If this option is turned on, it means the Enter key will send your message instead of creating a new line. To fix this, simply turn this option off. Once you disable it, go back to your chat and open any conversation. Now when you press the Enter key on your keyboard, it will create a new line instead of sending the message. And that's it. That's how you fix the Enter key showing send in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.